Virtualization and consolidation, automation and business continuance, those are the concepts that will dominate 2010 according to Aloha Technical Solutions. The local IT solutions provider recently hosted an event where it rolled out those concepts and products designed to give their customers the edge in the industry.
We're actually hosting an event to showcase some of the technologies and companies that are going to be important for customers preparing for what we think is going to be hot technologies in 2010. Companies that are going to be participating today are ourselves, Aloha Technical Solutions, IBM, Brocade, and DR Fortress. We're actually having individual representatives from each of the companies talking with our customers about new technologies, about things that we're seeing as trends, industry directions, ways to take a look at thinking about preparing for building a dynamic infrastructure within a customer's environment. And a dynamic infrastructure is defined by really being three things: helping customers reduce cost, improve service, and mitigate risk. We expect to see a lot of continued investments in virtualization technologies to help customers be able to prepare for business continuance and disaster recovery strategies. We see virtualization extending out to the desktop, where traditionally it's been in the server and the data center rooms, really kind of moving out and extending to provide additional services at the PC client level.
We're the only network neutral data center in the state of Hawaii. We're the largest data center in Hawaii. Well, we're actually partners with Aloha Technical. We have a symbiotic relationship where we love when they sell hardware and put together virtual solutions for our customers and house them inside our data center. Well, it's a little bit of the same for us. We are still, again, the data center, the home for all these companies, for these projects that have not been rolled out for 2009. A lot of them are going to actually implement a lot of the things that we've discussed in 2009. They're implementing in 2010. So we'll be working with Aloha Technical to roll out some of these customers with their virtualization products. And the main thing for DR Fortress, we're the only internet exchange. We're going to roll out a healthcare exchange with the healthcare industry. So that's the hottest thing that's happening with us. Well, we're here today with Aloha Technical. We're going over a lot of the things that we actually presented this year and then going over what's hot for 2010. So we'll have a lot of stations and be able to meet with customers in a social environment.
Brocade is a world leader in performance networking that spans the data center to the IP edge of the network for campus networks and data center networking. Well, we're showcasing some of the new technologies that we've introduced for the data center. Technologies like fiber channel over Ethernet, converged enhanced Ethernet, virtualization, how you manage that in a data center environment. And then when a customer needs to build out their local area networks, we have a complete product line of layer 3 and layer 2 type switches and routers that provides our customers with 10 gigabit backbone networks with 10, 100, 1000 connectivity to the desktop. We also offer a complete line of power over Ethernet switches for our customers to provide voice over IP in their network infrastructure environment. And we also have a complete complement of products for application delivery switches for load balancing and web caching. ATS is one of our premier business partners. Recently, Brocade Communications signed an agreement with the IBM Corporation to take all of Brocade's products and brand them as IBM products and offer them to customers around the world. We're expecting increased market share as companies go to build out their data centers and upgrade their networks. We hope to be in there as a consideration for them when they make a decision to go with a strategic partner like IBM, ATS, and Brocade Communications.
IBM is International Business Machines. We're a multi-brand company. We sell software, services, and hardware. I'm a System X sales specialist, which basically means I sell Intel and AMD-based products. And so I specialize in those, which is something that ATS resells on the island. So what we're doing is we're having a number of clients, quite a few clients of ATS and IBM come here to Ruth's Chris. And we're going to explain to them, or at least I'm going to explain to them, different hardware products that we're going to have available in 2010. So we have a number of really interesting products in the x86 space that will be released in 2010. IBM does differentiate a significant degree in the x86 space for very high-end server products. And so ATS is going to specialize in those, and we're going to partner together throughout 2010 for our customers here on the island.
Next year's gathering is expected to be even bigger.